Do you own your own contacts? It's a fair question to ask. Chances are you probably don't. I'm going to bet that most of your work contacts are tied to your work email or tied to your work phone book. And what happens when you leave that work, that place of employment? Those don't really come with you, do they? If you don't own your contacts, what do you own? What is your value and what is your net worth? If your contacts in a work setting are only related to that place of employment, it doesn't seem that you have much choice and much option. How can you leave? What happens next or when you leave? This is why you want your own CRM database separate than where you work.